Hey, good morning, guys. I don't know what time it is. Hold on. I don't know. I think it's around 10:30 or so. We are going to go down to good America.
You at
Huh?
New York?
New York? No, Texas.
How long you stay with
So we're from um, Thailand.
What do you want? You like the World Museum?
Now we're gonna go over to the river.
Okay.
Thank you though. Thanks. Okay, well, we're going to go over to the river. It's Sunday morning, just before noonish time. I don't know. Oh, 10:49. Going to go over by the river and check things out over there, and then we'll go from there, I guess. All right, let's wait for our ride to get here. Oh, check this out. Wasn't it? There wasn't much to it. Okay, this is our ride. Orange. Okay, we're at the river. It's hot here for sure. Jesus. Oh, the statue. That's the statue we're coming to right there. I got a video, but I don't have a picture. Water biz. Whoa. So this is where your water taxis and stuff are, I guess. We saw a ferry thing down the street there. So this is a part of town we haven't been in yet. This area looks a lot newer over here. Everything's nice and clean. You got the things to keep cars and stuff, I guess, or motorbikes, keep them off of the path here. And okay, we're getting ready to cross a busy road, and there is no There is no stoplight, so this is where we're gonna go. What is it? Oh. Okay, are we getting ready? Daz is gonna step up there and be the breaker. Come on. Come on. Come on. Oh. Come on, baby. We did it. We did it. We made it across. There's no lights here whatsoever. We're gonna meet him here in a coffee shop with Daz's friend.
Like, yeah, it's raining.
Oh, look at the puppy. Look at the puppy. Hello.
Welcome to Vietnam.
Thank you. Okay. Ooh, that feels good. Oh, look at that. She's bringing gifts again.
6 người con. Con ngồi đây đi. Water. Water, yeah.
I don't know.
Water.
Wow.
Oh. Make in Vietnam very good, very good. No.
Is that like
Milk.
oh,
You drink?
she's gonna show us what.
I was smelling it. It smells like a candle or something. You want a water?
Yeah.
I get 2 water. Just water, yeah.
Golden breast milk, a special Vietnam. Oh, breast milk from Vietnam.
Huh? You heard it right.
The translation.
Breast
Water,
milk
yes.
from Vietnam.
I don't know. Check what they want.
Very good. Ah, honey sugar. Honey? Yes, yeah.
No, I go food truck.
Oh.
Yeah. Butter and I and honey. Very good.
There's like a ice chocolate, like a.
Is that her?
Yeah.
Ah, me. You with the bees.
You work bees?
Yes. Yeah.
We had bees also in America.
Chocolate cookie. I got a chocolate cookie.
Okay. That's really neat.
So she works with the bees and she makes this honey through her company. So she gave us a free sample, which back at the room. But that was her in the picture in her apiary. Apiary? That's her right there. Okay.
Yes. Yeah. Yeah. No. Do you want a video?
Yeah.
She's so yes. I'm like, Goose? I don't know if you'll eat it.
Mushy? Alright, let me try it.
Goose?
In Thailand, it's all the way. In Thailand, tasty, all the way.
Tastes like kind of like a.
Oh, it's dripping.
Tastes kind of like a fruit is sweet.
Sweet.
It's definitely a texture.
For you, yeah. Okay, you done?
Kind of like the durian, kind of like the durian texture,
No.
texture-wise. No, not for you.
Not for me. I mean, it's been a while since I had
Alright. Sweet.
Thank you.
Oh, you're not video. You're just a picture, right?
Go ahead.
So, local Vietnam honey and water, very refreshing.
Good?
Yes. Very good.
Honey sugar, very good.
Egg coffee.
Cafe, yes.
Raw? Is that raw egg?
Like custard or something. Looks like.
Custard? So it's a cooked.
Yes.
Oh, that's sweet.
Okay, we're gonna try and cross the road again. You see this, right? No light. Okay, look at all the water hyacinths. Hyacinths that are floating along the river there. They're just going, it's pretty good current there. Those look like all new or something. Further up. Looks like they might have a little cruise ship right there. Must be a river boat or something. I don't know if you can see that dark one there. That's the one we're gonna have dinner on tonight. I don't know if you can hear that, but that's the dark one's the one we're gonna have dinner on tonight. Water bus. Saigon. Water bus. It's 12:18 right now. Ice cream sandwich.
Here comes the trolley.
They got shades all on the bus where you can't see out. There's a boat down the river, like a little speedboat or something. Renaissance Riverside Hotel, Saigon. Like a city bus. Okay, these are all the don'ts. Let's see what they are. I see a skateboard. You can't skateboard. Can't have anybody selling anything. No drones, no graffiti, no lying down, no pets, no riding or driving, no littering, no fishing, no damage of plants. That's about everything, I guess. At least we got a little breeze here. Maybe you can see the little brown boat now beside the big boat up there. That's the one we're gonna have dinner on tonight. Still quite a ways away.
Bus stop up here for that. She looked it up and said there was a bus stop for that.
The tour thing. Did it say how much it was?
Yeah, I don't know. We haven't got that far yet. Oh, it's like an all-day pass, and you pay.
I don't know who said it, but somebody said, Chuck, there is no 7-Eleven in Vietnam. I don't know, maybe that's just
That's your imagination.
it sure looks like it's a 7-Eleven.
You want to go in and see if they got a root beer, baby? We're gonna go in and see if they got root beer. Yeah.
Yes.
Ooh, feels good. Here we go. Cheeseburger. All right. Do they have A&W root beer?
Yeah.
Oh. No A&W. Root beer.
Nope. Yeah.
Root beer. No root beer. Oh. I didn't see the little ones.
Yeah, they have a baby one.
Where? That's tequila shot.
One shot. Fanta. Huh?
Mentos.
Oh, wow.
Fanta Mentos.
Oh, there you go. You get a big burger.
Oh.
Yes, Saigon. Yes, Saigon Raptor. There's different kinds of.
Gold one from Circle K the other day. I sat her in my refrigerator, right?
Look at that. Jose Cuervo
Oh, they got yogurt.
special. Looks like Jagermeister. Oh, yogurt flavored. Mentos.
Yeah.
Maybe he has change. Hey, look, Doritos. Look at that.
Yeah, it's a big bag too. Yeah, look at that, baby. Yeah. Yeah.
Jim, I wish I had saw that the other day. How much?
Oh, look, they got Andy.
186.
Yeah, the
Oh
little.
wow, they do.
How much are they?
Actually, Paige found that bathtub. We're gonna try that.
How much?
Probably 34 like that one right there. Probably $34,000.
You think so? If that's it, that's only $1. Yeah, I got a couple.
We saw those, yeah, at the. We haven't tried them yet, but
Almond.
Crab flavor.
Crab flavor.
Texas tenderloin. They're from Texas.
Is that?
and then, what's that? Oh, it's right there. It says 19,000 dong off or something.
What? Alright, you want me some more money?
Mexican beer.
There you go, baby.
We gotta try the gold.
You got Monster.
Korean.
Oh, Korean. That's Korean Lao Pao.
Look, that's down here. I love 7-Eleven. Yeah.
Jelly tea. Those wax teas. They're jelly.
Ice cream. Strawberry cheesecake.
Oh, balloons.
So Nicole found these Andes in the 7-Eleven here in Vietnam. We're gonna try them.
You get that and slap it and watch it squirt out at you.
Damn.
Là em không phải là em muốn phải nói lại
Okay. Got the Gucci building. There's a Circle K over there.
như là thảo rồi đâu có trồng được.
Art arcade. What, are we on a mission, or are we trying to catch that bus? I think we're trying to get on the bus. The one up, she's talking about that one up there.
That one up there.
So we're right in the center square or something here, right? It probably had to wait until it got full. Porsche. We're trying to find a bus that'll take us around the city, kind of like a sightseeing tour. There's a Hotel Continental Saigon. There's a gorgeous restaurant. Alright. Let's talk to the bus guy. Our translator. Ain't nobody on the bus. He's on a break.
That bus is just up there.
Okay, this is where we're gonna have our dinner tonight on the Elissa. It's just a floating restaurant, not a moving restaurant, but yeah, it's gonna be nice. Right here next to a cruise ship.
I'm grown up. I can have dessert before I have dinner.
Exactly. I get to watch a sunset over here.
Okay, are we gonna sit across it? I'm scared of it.
Okay, we're on the river, fixing to have a river boat meal. I don't know what you call it. We're having dinner on a boat. Nice old boat.
Can you come to me on a summer breeze? Keep me warm in your love, then it's softly.
Okay, we got the night sky lights from all the buildings.
You gotta go back up.
Yeah,
Go back
or
down.
to go back down. Yeah, I think. Okay, they have another boat that serves dinner and everything. Also, it's right behind our boat. So there's quite a few of them down here on the river that actually serve dinner and stuff. So yeah, look at those skyline pictures there. And then of course, there's the boat we were on right there. Oh, I didn't notice the things lit up like that, so yeah, beautiful. There we go. They change colors.